For Outstanding Civic Leader, Miss Emma Cordero. Founder, MCOR Voice of Angel Foundation, Philippines. Emma Cordero, known as MCOR, is a celebrated singer, composer, civic leader, and advocate. Recognized internationally as Asia's Princess of Songs, she received the Most Outstanding International Performer 2015 award for her song, I Wanna Give Love. For Outstanding Civic Leader, Miss Emma Cordero. Founder, MCOR Voice of Angel Foundation, Philippines. Emma Cordero, known as MCOR, is a celebrated singer, composer, civic leader, and advocate. Recognized internationally as Asia's Princess of Songs, she received the Most Outstanding International Performer 2015 award for her song, I Wanna Give Love.
Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele, given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys.
Let's hear a message from Miss Emma Cordero.
Wow. Thank you. Thanks, God. Thank you, Chief Acosta, our soon to be senator. Thank you. And congratulations to my co-awardees. Thank you very much. And it's an honor for me to have this. Thank you so much. Bagong Pilipinas, thank you so much for this award. Wow. At ako po ay si Emma Cordero po. Namamalagi po sa Chitan. Doon po ako nakatira. Umuwi lang po ako kagabi to receive this. Thank you. Kinakabahan ako kasi first time ko po na makatanggap ng ganitong napakalaking National Convention of Public Attorney's Office. Wow. Actually po si Chief Acosta, so I really salute her. Ang ganda po tularan. Pero gusto ko po sana noon maging law, mag-aral ng law, kaso nga lang law ako eh. Hindi naman very low. Kasi po yun po sabi pa ng isang attorney natin na tumanggap din kanina. Magkaroon po tayo ng tapang ng loob, self-confidence, di ba? Magkaroon tayo ng tiwala sa sarili. Kahit sino pong may hirap dyan, kapag mayroon talagang tinatahak na tamang daan, huwag po tayong maging kaliwa at kanan, yung straight to the, kung ano po ang destiny natin ay hinahanap, hindi po lumalapit sa atin yun. Yun lang po ang paniniwala ko sa sarili ko. Kasi po, siguro 30 years na po ako nakatira sa Japan. Marami na po rin akong napuntahan lugar para dinala po ako ng kung saan-saan ng music. Kaya po, naniwala na po ako sa sarili ko na kahit sino pwedeng harapin ko at mahalin. Yan po ang pagmamahal sa kapwa, tumulong sa kapwa. Dahil ang blessings na binibigay ng Panginoon ay wag po tayong manghinayang i-share natin sa kapwa natin. Yun ang hindi po ako nanghihinayang na magmahal at tumulong, at kung yung magkamali man ako ay humingi ng kapatawaran. Kaya pag magkamali ako, nandyan po at marami po tayong attorney ngayon dito. Sana po matandaan niyo po ako at balang araw lalapit po ako sa inyo. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.
Once again, our awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Miss Emma Cordero. Our next